You can show me what?
I'll show you your special mirror. Okay?
What's that?
It's your special mirror
From what?
from you.
Who made it?
And I did, and it's all for you.
Leah, thank you.
I told, it's
Is this my Mother's Day gift?
No, it's not a gift. It's a mirror.
Is that a gift that's in me? Oh, this is my Mother's Day gift, and you gave it to me early without Daddy here. It's nice of you to blow the surprise.
No, Daddy did with me. And then you can't get until it's Mother's Day.
I know, but today isn't Mother's Day.
No.
Did you just ruin the surprise?
Then you get to get it.
Oh, I love you.
A big grass zipper, a yellow grass zipper, and I made a wall for you. But dear Mommy.
Oh, that's so wonderful, Leah.
And there's a castle too. Cinderella castle too.
Leah, you're so sweet.
And this looks like a mirror. See?
Leah, I love it. I'm going to keep it forever.
Yeah.
You're so sweet. You and Daddy did it together?
Yeah.
For me?
And it's got glue on it, and it's always together. So, dear Mommy too.
Oh, thank you, Leah.
That's your name.
Leah, thank you.
Now I got hide
Give me a kiss.
under the pillow until it's Mother's Day. I got hide under the pillow so you don't find until it's Mother's Day.
Okay. We will pretend I didn't see anything.
I do here.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Leah. I love you.